In today's digital age, email marketing continues to be a powerful tool for businesses to connect with their audience and drive conversions. However, as technology evolves and consumer behavior changes, it is crucial for marketers to stay updated on the latest trends in order to maximize the effectiveness of their email campaigns. In this article, we will explore 10 key email marketing trends for 2023 that every marketer should know. Personalization. The days of generic mass emails are long gone. In 2023, personalization will be more important than ever before. By tailoring your emails based on customer preferences, behavior, and demographics, you can create a more engaging and relevant experience for each individual recipient. Automation. With advancements in automation technology, marketers can streamline their email campaigns by setting up automated workflows triggered by specific actions or events. This not only saves time but also ensures timely delivery of targeted messages based on customer interactions. Interactive content. Static emails are no longer enough to capture attention in a crowded inbox. Incorporating interactive elements such as quizzes, surveys, videos, or GIFs into your emails can boost engagement rates significantly. Mobile optimization. As mobile usage continues to rise globally, optimizing your emails for mobile devices is no longer an option but a necessity. Responsive design and mobile-friendly layouts ensure that your messages look great across all screen sizes and improve the overall user experience. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to provide valuable insights about customer behavior patterns and preferences. By leveraging AI algorithms in your email marketing strategy, you can enhance targeting accuracy and deliver highly personalized content at scale. User-generated content, UGC. Customers trust other customers' opinions more than traditional advertising methods alone. Therefore, incorporating UGC into your emails will help build social proof around your brand. Encourage customers to share their experiences and reviews, and include them in your email campaigns to boost credibility. Interactive email design. In 2023, static emails will be a thing of the past. Marketers are increasingly adopting interactive email design techniques such as rollover effects, carousels, and countdown timers to create engaging experiences that drive higher click-through rates. Privacy and data security. With growing concerns about data privacy, it is crucial for marketers to prioritize security measures when handling customer information. Implementing robust data protection protocols and obtaining explicit consent from subscribers will help build trust with your audience. Artificial intelligence, AI. AI-powered tools can analyze vast amounts of data to provide valuable insights about customer behavior patterns and preferences. By leveraging AI algorithms in your email marketing strategy, you can enhance targeting accuracy and deliver highly personalized content at scale. Omnichannel integration. To create a seamless customer experience across multiple touchpoints, integrating email marketing with other channels such as social media, SMS marketing, or chatbots will be essential in 2023. This ensures consistent messaging and helps nurture leads throughout their entire journey. By staying updated on these 10 email marketing trends for 2023, marketers can gain a competitive edge by delivering more personalized experiences that resonate with their target audience. Personalization, automation, interactive content, mobile optimization, artificial intelligence, AI, user-generated content, UGC, interactive email design, privacy and data security, artificial intelligence, AI, omni-channel integration. In conclusion, the landscape of email marketing is constantly evolving. Therefore, it is crucial for marketers to stay informed about the latest trends in order to achieve optimal results from their campaigns. From personalization to automation, mobile optimization to AI integration, each trend plays a significant role in enhancing engagement rates, driving conversions, and ultimately, building stronger relationships with customers. By embracing these trends and implementing them into their email marketing strategies, marketers can stay ahead of the curve in 2023 and beyond. So don't get left behind. Start incorporating these trends into your email campaigns today.